found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a
Hello friends, this is Manisha here, your journal friend and traveler blogger. Here today we are there at Auroville Ashram, which is based in Pondicherry, and today sorry, I'm wearing mask and all because of the safety precaution has been taken, so you can see that people are here and everyone is using all the masks and precautions which has been taken for COVID-19, and they are actually maintaining. Sorry, I couldn't show you the ashram because there are a lot of restrictions, because people are actually they won't allow you to take any videos or photographs, so I couldn't actually take the photographs or video. Very pure a place, so we started our journey from here, from Auroville Ashram. So here you have to keep your shoes off and then you have to enter the ashram, and you can see it's really very French styled area. I'll try to show you a little more. So this is very the typical French style area and building. So this is the Ganesh temple. You can see there's, and you can see it's so crowded, so we decided to not go inside rather. So you can see it, there are lot many shops. We are now heading towards this place. So this is a kind of botanical garden. It's a big garden basically, and I couldn't shoot inside the museum as it was not allowed, so had to skip that. If you want peace, calmness of mind, and you can say bliss, so you could come here, spend your time for 2 days. That's fine. The Municipal Corporation of Pondicherry, very clean and clear, and they have made it a garden. The botanical garden is just opposite to it. So we are entering the garden. You can see the garden is really different. You know why it is different? The cultural heritage is very important. So we already saw this replica inside the museum. Basically this is kind of watchtower. It was made, and I can see what is there. On the top of the roof there is handles and all, right, so that people can get up there and check basically the seashore, any enemies coming or not. That is the concept basically, so that's why it was made. You can see. This is a typical French styled restaurant. So here I am. We are having our lunch today actually. So yes, we wanted to have a little French food. The pasta I'm having, and it was mine. Already having rice, and this is a yummy steak with smashed potato and sauce.